very similar to what you see us do in colt starting whenever we spin them, but we're getting them ready for long lining. And I learned this from my driving mentor, David Davis, coming straight out of Indiana. And he showed me this maneuver right here. And basically, we're just getting him used to having that line touch his butt and drive him around. You notice my long line here is 25 foot long. It really helps me not have to run so much. And sometimes here we can, if the horse is uncomfortable with it, we could drive them forward a little bit, having them feel that long line on their butt so they don't freak out. And whenever they're ready, we can turn them around just like that.